consumers po, yung tinatanong natin, no? So halimbawa po,
Madam
sinasabi
Speaker,
na,
sorry, because earlier sinasabi po yung impairment clause. Ngayon,
okay.
ngayon sa consumers, I'm so confused now with what our distinguished colleague is asking kasi
So yung
earlier po, impairment clause are with contracts po, Madam Speaker, hindi po with the consumers. We're not impairing the consumers here. The impairment clause of the Constitution is on contracts. So what exactly is the question, Madam Speaker, of distinguished sponsor?
Batas natin itong existing na panukalang batas, yung bang daylight saving,
Walang daylight saving. Wala pong daylight savings po dito
Davao
sa...
Light. Davao Light Company. Davao Light pa yung merong prerogative o merong prerogative na kukuhanin yung existing.
Madam Speaker, Davao Light is already operating in some areas of Davao del Norte.
Yes.
Again, babalik po tayo sa yung problema.
Hanapin sa bill yun. Ano bang mangyayari? Kasi kailangan
that's why the competitive
makita
selection
natin
process comes in. Madam.
Kaya gusto natin makita sa bill.
Session suspended.